white columbines are blooming too, guys. And yellow phlox from Brazil of New Brunswick. Ayan, look at my pink. Pink and white with crown columbine. She's lovely and beautiful indeed. Ayan you guys, so sweet. Ang dami-dami niyang flowers. Naku, may intruder dito. This is weeds. I hate this kind of weeds because it's climbing too. Ayan. Look. Ayan. Beautiful. She's really beautiful and gorgeous. I love my baby. Ayan. I have my gardenia peony. So she's lovely. She's sweet and scented peonies I have. This little guy, not yet. It's not ready to open. Ayan, thanks for watching. Wish everyone a happy weekend from Vickers family. Bye.